I'm about to give you 9 fashion hacks that if I would have known as a teenager, I would have not only looked better, but also saved time and money. Starting with number 1. Double your attention from girls with the paperclip. You see, women love a man with strong arms. In a study conducted by her campus in 2009, investigators looked into what women really wanted in men. They traveled across the United States to multiple colleges asking specific questions to help identify the exact traits women want in men. Some of the questions included, what's the first feature you notice on a man? Or if you could only choose one feature, which one would it be? And after gathering thousands of responses across multiple colleges, they ranked the top 10 features that women physically want in a man. And what they found was that number 1 feature was strong arms, with most women agreeing that the right amount of bicep was attractive. So here's how you're gonna accentuate your bicep with a paperclip. First, grab the shirt that you're gonna wear, turn it inside out. Then, you will pinch the inside part of the sleeve enough so your arm can still go through and put the paperclip through. Then you're gonna turn the shirt back to its regular position and throw it on. You have now instantly tailored the inside sleeve with the paperclip, making the shirt sit tighter around your arms, which gives the illusion of strong arms. That's right, with the paperclip, I just made you more attractive to women. I'm telling you. If I knew these as a teen, I'd be unstoppable, and I got more. Number 2, increase your shoulder width with shirt darts. The width of a man's waist to his shoulders is a biological signal of dominance and testosterone. And according to a study by Journal Storage, the wider that shoulder to waist ratio is, the more attractive that man is to a woman. Now, you should go to the gym, but that'll take time. So you can get the exact same effect instantly by adding shirt darts to your shirt, which are little folds that are sewn into the back seams of your shirt to give you an instantly tapered look. Now, you will have to spend a little bit of money. It's inexpensive, but if you find a local tailor in your area, he can usually get this done for around $10 to $15. 3, elevate your appearance with the right style of dressing. When it comes to everyday dressing, there are 3 styles of looks that you can use: the rugged, the clean cut, and the casual. And when used correctly, each of them will demand attention from the women around you. Now, here's the interesting part. You can change tonality of each style by just choosing the right jacket. I'm gonna give you an example. Let's start with the rugged style. The rugged style conveys masculinity and a readiness to take on challenges, which, according to a study from Science Direct, is a trait that women find desirable. To achieve this look, you can use something like a waxed canvas field jacket. It's a staple, it's timeless, and when you throw it on, it instantly makes you look more rugged. This one's from Thursday, a company that I use time and time again because of its superior quality. For example, this jacket is made from a premium wax fabric, which means it can withstand anything. This is exactly what you want. Plus, its rugged design and appearance will elevate your masculine appeal. Next, you got the clean cut. This conveys a polished, a well-groomed, and a wealthy image. This is perfect for those first dates or first impressions. Now, to pull this look, just throw on a black leather jacket. Leather will make you appear more masculine, but the dark color will make you appear more intelligent, confident, and attractive. When you combine both, you get that clean look. This jacket, as well as from Thursday's new jacket collection, and this is what I love about them. Everything they design is direct to consumer using some of the best materials in the world. So when you throw it on, you get that elevated appearance without having to spend a lot of money. You have to be strategic. You want to use these styles when you want to come across as more comfortable, more relaxed. To do this properly, you'll want to wear pieces that make you feel comfortable, as this will change your state of mind. For example, this suede jacket is soft to the touch. Every time I wear, I feel relaxed, which will set the tonality for how I carry myself. This one, as well, is from Thursdays, and as you noticed, if you just change the jacket, you can get 3 different looks by just changing one singular piece in your outfit. This is dressing smart, and then using that for specific occasions. If you guys want to level up your jacket game, especially for fall and winter, you can check out Thursday, which is gonna be linked down below. Check out their entire new jacket collection. I only showed you 3, but they have more colors and variations, which make perfect fall pieces. And what I love about Timeless Design is that you won't only wear it this season, you'll wear it for the next 4 or 5 years. If you guys wanna check it out, it'll be linked down below. 4, earn money by renting out your wardrobe. See, when it comes to buying expensive clothing, most men will just buy the clothes, wear it a few times, and let it sit in their closet. Essentially, you lost money. But there's a small group of men that do it smart. They buy the clothes and then have the clothes make them money. They do this by using shared wardrobe marketplaces. Shared wardrobe marketplaces are digital platforms that will allow you to share your clothing with other people within your area, and then those people will pay you to use that specific item. So next time you're shopping and you're thinking about buying something expensive, take this route. That way you save money while also reaping the benefits of using higher quality brands. It has a second adverse effect, that the extra income you can now use to continue to expand your wardrobe. 5. Save money by 10xing the longevity of your clothing. Most men understand the benefits of wearing branded clothing. However, that comes at a heavy cost. So here are 4 things that I always do to my clothes to extend the life of them so you don't have to shop as often. First, replace your cheap hangers with wooden ones. Cheap hangers can stretch out your shirts and clothing while also causing potential tears if you're using the metal ones. Keep the structure of your clothing better while also acting as a natural humidifier. Next, when you don't use your boots, put in an empty soda can. This is to stretch out the leather back to its original shape after every wear. Next, you will want to wash all your clothes at 104 degrees or 40 degrees Celsius. This will optimize the removal of bacteria and bad smell without damaging your clothes. And fourth, prioritize durable fabrics like wool and linen over less durable fabrics that tend to tear easy like polyester and cotton. 6. Improve your appearance by 230% with the clearance hack. The clothing you wear can improve how you look by up to 230%. And this was proven in a study ran by dating app OkCupid. Researchers conducted a 4-month international survey to look at the impact of tailored clothing. On the dating sites, they would post 2 pictures of a man, one wearing a well-tailored suit, and on the other, wearing a loose, baggy-fitting suit. Women from across the world would then rank which one they found more attractive, and the results weren't even close. The guy in the tailored suit was 2.3 times more attractive than the guy in the baggy suit. Remember, it was the same guy. So, to achieve this and make it affordable, I want you to go online and buy your first suit. Shop from the clearance section, as most times, items that are out of season, for example, suits that are made for summer, now that it's fall, you can shop for 50, 60, or up to 70% off. Once you receive that suit, you can take those savings, go to a tailor, and then tailor that suit so it can fit properly. And now, you've enhanced your appearance by up to 230%. So think about it. So far, I've made your arms look bigger with a paperclip. I've enhanced your shoulder to waist ratio. I've upgraded your wardrobe. I showed you how to make money with your clothing. I've showed you how to extend the life of that clothing. And then I just showed you how to increase your attractiveness by 230%. You see why learning these early can be so powerful. But it gets better, because these last 3 tips are the best ones on the list. Number 7, sculpt your face with the right glasses. The type of glasses you wear has a direct impact to the structure of your face. The right pair will make you look more defined, more chiseled, whereas the wrong pair will make you look softer and rounder. So here's how you choose the right pair. First, you will want to choose larger, bulkier glasses to convey a more masculine appearance. Next, you will want to prioritize glasses that have sharp angles in the lens rims and temples. By doing this, you will increase the amount of angles in your face, creating the illusion that you have a chiseled and defined face structure. 8. Use the Helmholtz illusion to increase your height instantly. Most people think that the key to increasing perceived height is vertical stripes, but they have it all wrong. According to the Helmholtz illusion, the opposite is true. It is people who wear horizontal stripes that often look skinnier and taller. For example, these 2 square boxes are the same height, but when I add horizontal stripes to the left one and vertical stripes to the right one, the left one looks much taller and skinnier. So if you want to look taller, don't do what everyone else is doing. Instead, wear horizontal stripes. And now, you're ready for the most powerful hack on this list, which will not only save you time and money, but will put you on track to become a millionaire. Number 9, reduce decision fatigue with the personal uniform. When it comes to getting dressed in the morning, most men utilize one of 2 methods, not realizing that there is a secret third method that only a few men do. According to research, the first group will spend around 13 minutes right before bed choosing their outfit, while the second group will spend around the same amount of time, 13 minutes every morning, to pick out their outfit. And then there's a third group that eliminates all of this altogether. And I wish I would have known this sooner, because as soon as I implemented, it changed my life. That is utilizing a personal uniform. A personal uniform is something that the richest men in the world use. And here's how you're gonna do it. First, I created 2 personal uniforms, a casual one and a dressy one. My dressy one is simple. It will always include a dark pair of trousers and a white button-down shirt. So every day, when I know I need to look more presentable, I always gravitate to that. My casual one is also simple. It includes black pants, a black t-shirt, and white sneakers. And no matter what, I can always rely on that outfit. If you do what I'm telling you, you will reduce the amount of decision fatigue that you spend trying to figure out what to wear. You will also save 13 minutes a day, which is a total of 80 hours a year. And if you listen to me and you use this along with everything else on this list, you will be leagues ahead of any of your friends and any other men in your area. If you guys want to continue to level up, I'll leave you 2 more videos here. See you next time.